Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Before moving to video, do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Today we will learn about food idioms with meanings. The icing on the cake. Something that makes a good situation even better. Spill the beans. To reveal a secret. Couch potato. A lazy person who prefers sitting on couch and watching TV. Cool as cucumber. To remain calm and composed under pressure. Apple of my eye. Someone or something that is cherished or loved deeply. Salt of the earth. A good, honest, and dependable person. Butter someone up. To be extra nice to someone in order to gain favor. Sour grapes. Disparaging what one cannot have. A hot potato. A controversial or sensitive issue that is difficult to handle. In a pickle. To be in a difficult or troublesome situation. Hit the bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you so much for watching.